Welcome back, traders. Trading the US dollar Canadian. I'm going to do a quick analysis on the US dollar Canadian. This one's real simple for me this week. Sunday's coming in. We're going to have an up move until Wednesday at 12 a.m. So it's Tuesday going into Wednesday, 12 a.m. looking for a short. Exit my long trade and then enter into a short trade. Okay, so this is a real simple trade. And then we have an up move here on Thursday at it looks like 5 a.m. in the morning here, traders. Yep, 5 a.m. in the morning, up move until Friday. Then we chop around. I guess we're gonna wait for news. My charts are totally not updated for Friday because the market is not open. But we have an idea that we're going to the north on Thursday. Very simple, 3 trades, north, south, and to the north again. All right, that's a dollar Canadian. It's very simple. I'm going to add a couple of other pairs, a couple of euro pairs this week because I see some huge moves on the euro, New Zealand to the south. Okay, so that's that. Now we're going to do the US dollar JPY 60-minute time frame, and this one I'm looking for. It's going to chop around on Sunday. I'm not even going to worry about even trading it until we get to about 3 in the morning, taking a short on the dollar yen, and then the reversal will come here on Monday at looks like 12 a.m. or no 2300. So that's 11 p.m. and we're going to go up. We're going to pull back pretty nasty here at 8 o'clock in the morning, and then we're going to pull back until 11, and then we're going to continue to go up higher and take this high out. So we're still continuing going higher. Then I'm looking for another short opportunity here at looks like 11 a.m. in the morning on Wednesday, and we look like we're going to the south. Then after that, Thursday, looks like we're taking a double bottom here, and we're going to go to the north at 12 p.m. Believe it or not, some of these trades work out. I mean, it's just past the active zone, but they do work out. 12 p.m. and look for an up move on the dollar yen and a slight nasty pullback here at 10 a.m. in the morning on Friday. Okay, so my charts, the market's not open, so I don't have. Yes, I do have all the times. Looks like it. 15, yeah, that's right. But it still may extend out more. All right, traders. So that's the U.S. dollar JPY trades this week are very simple. Very simple trading. That was the next up is going to be Aussie U.S. dollar 60-minute right here. Aussie U.S. dollar 60-minute. Market's going to open. Here's a white line, and then it'll look like we're going at 1800. It's going to go up, and it's going to. It looks like it's going to just wave nicely to the upside until we get to Monday at 1300, which is about 1 p.m. New York time, and then it's going to drop, and it's going to pull back. So I'll be looking favoring shorts after this drop. Look for another entry for a pullback and then down because it's making higher low. See this low, this is the high. There's another high, but this high is lower than this one. Okay, so we're looking for a downtrend, and then here's another peak here, and it looks like it's going down. And then we finally start to rally up to the north right here at 10 a.m. on Wednesday. To the north we go. All right, traders. And then Thursday we peak out, and we take it to the south at 11 a.m. in the morning to the south. These are very simple trades. Pause the video for the times. Very, very simple. Okay, so next up is going to be the Euro New Zealand. This one I see is looks like a huge down move coming this week on this pair. So I'll be definitely eyeballing this pair to take this thing for a short. Maybe a one long and a short, and one long and a short, and that is it. Actually, it's coming in on Sunday. Actually, I'll take that back, traders. It might be 2 shorts and a long. Okay, so the market opens, it's going to wiggle around here, and then we're going to get a drop here at 3 a.m. in the morning until Monday at 1 p.m. At 1300. Then we're going to go back to the north. This is one trade, two trades, and this is the last trade, 7 a.m. in the morning, Euro New Zealand. We're looking like we're going to the south, big time. All right, and we're going to bottom out here. Anywhere, between I could exit here at 5 a.m. in the morning, or wait for that pullback here and then just get in again to take it short, or just keep the trade on until we get to Friday, or whenever we want to exit anywhere down here. So that's the trade I'm looking for. That's a pretty good one. So it's about 3 trades on this pair for the week. I'm going to take 3 trades: Sunday, Monday long, Tuesday a big long short. Now that doesn't even sound right, traders. It's going to be a short for a longer term hold on this trade. Okay, and then the other trade is the Euro Australian dollar. Almost similar to the Euro New Zealand, but this one comes in on a short at 8 p.m. on Monday. It looks like it's going sideways, so I'm not even going to mess with it. Sunday, and it is actually high here, traders, at 1800. So it is going making lower highs. So I could just hold the trade here. I could do that and just keep it on until Wednesday, until we bottom out here. All right, so maybe I might take a swing trade on this pair, but optimal entry for less of a pullback and drawdown could be here at 8 p.m. on Monday, and then we just go right into Tuesday to the south. Okay, traders. So it's possible I may take a trade here and just leave it on. Looks like it's pulling back, but yeah, I just may do that and just hold the trade until this time and see where we at with the pip count. Okay, traders, so that's the Euro Australian. Then the reversal is going to come Wednesday, and it's going to go back up on a retracement. Look at it, it's below zero, and so we'll see how those trades work out. And there's a couple of on the pound New Zealand, I believe. Because the pound Aussie doesn't look as good as the pound New Zealand, but the pound New Zealand has maybe 1 day or something like that, which is Sunday, comes in here, and you could probably take a short here at 12 a.m. in the morning to the south. Then Monday, back reversal, 1 p.m. to the north, and looks like we're just going to start waving to the south from there. Then another sell at 8 p.m. on Tuesday, and then it looks like it's just going sideways until we get to Thursday, and then it goes down. So we have one down move, one up move, another down, and then I think it's just going to be down moves from there on. So I'll be looking for short positions. All right, traders. So that's it on that, and I'll update you with some of my performance videos of the MT4 platforms that we took over about 280 trades, and you can see the performance on these from this power zone, trading this with my Educational Market Traders Institute, and using the Back to the Future trading software. All right, traders, so I'll update you with that. And again, last week we had another phenomenal week. It was just awesome. Hopefully it continues, and because you're gonna hit a patch where you're gonna hit a patch of oil, and but right now we're flying on all cylinders here. Okay, so all right, traders, so we'll update you with that. Stay profitable. Welcome back, traders. Trading the Aussie US dollar. Here we go. We had the open of the market on Friday. We closed right where I wanted to buy the market for the Aussie dollar. Plus, there's a huge trend on the power zone, and we wind up taking an entry right here. As soon as I entered, of course, what happens? The thing pulls right back immediately on you, but not that
not for long. We're only down a few pips, and then boom, a big bullish candle follows after it. Hits this resistance zone, pulls back, hits the trend line, hits this trend line, and then we're getting to a wedge pattern, and boom, we break right out exactly to the power zone on the Aussie dollar. So we took that trade, and we took the dollar Canadian trade. As you can see here, this is the Ninja Trader platform, and this is the Unirinko. So as you can see, I had this red line drawn, and we're all the way up here. So we're looking to limit out before right up here around 70. I think I have the limit at 78, 73, 78. So let's pull this down a little bit. The limit is at 73, 78. So what I think is going to happen is we're going to hit that target because the target is 73. Well, it's actually 73, 78. So I think I'm a little bit even before that. It's 73. I don't want to move it. Hold on, traders. 73, 76. So let's go to the Aussie dollar. So 73, 76 is the limit. So we're right there. Right there. It's going to be a limit. So what I think is going to happen, trader, we're going to hit it, take it out. I like to be safe when I hit the limits. So I'm going to have to go out soon anyway. And I think it's going to hit that, pull back, boom, and then go to 74, whatever, and then we're going to reverse. So to pull back to a deeper retracement and go. Because for the whole week, the trend is like up on the Aussie dollar on the 60 minute. You can hold this. Look at this. I mean, it's straight up pretty much up until we get, you're going to get a little rocky up here, but up until Thursday.
Okay, welcome back, traders. Trading the Aussie US dollar. All right, we finally took our target out, which I'm pretty sure we were going to do because of the power zone, and we're still bullish anyway. So we just took that target. We're gonna get a pullback. We got a nice pullback. I thought we were gonna go take it out on this candle, but we did not. And see, a lot of times, when you're trading, you get that trend line break. There was a false trend line break. It was a bullish candle, everything, and we just, retrace right back to here. I thought we did bounce here a little bit, not much, and then we came back down here, which is this is a, let's see, this is a daily pivot here at 73.35, and we got right around there. We reversed, and in a blink of an eye, we took out our target. So we had it at 73.76. Okay, so our target was right about there, and our entry was at 94. So let me just slide this up temporarily. 72.94. Oh wow, we got as soon as the market opened, pretty much. It was almost like as soon as it opened, I entered into the market. Okay, on Sunday. So we wind up catching 81 pips across the board on all the accounts. So we wind up catching 81 pips on the Aussie US dollar.
Welcome back, traders. Trading the Aussie US dollar. Okay, we're here. Like I said, we're going to get it pushed to the north. We just pulled back a little harder, but it's just a matter of time. Power zone correct again. Aussie dollar going to the north. Going to be making higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, welcome back, traders. Trading the
US dollar JPY.
We're currently up on this pair. We took some more short positions. We had closed out on our Aussie trade and our US dollar Canadian. Now they're reversing, and we're currently up on the yen. We're expecting a lot bigger movement on the yen down move due to the power zone. So That's why I left the yen trade still on. The Aussie trade and this is the Aussie dollar. We're going to get a pullback, but we're going to go higher, traders. So I don't want to be in a pullback right now. So the pullback's coming, even though it's going up at the moment. So we're going to pull back here, 1500. Then we're going to be looking for a buy trade, or we could just wait till 2100 and possibly take a move here, or just wait again 1500 and then take a buy trade and peak out here at 2 a.m. in the morning, then reverse down and then back up to the highest high, and then we're done for now. So maybe we might be looking at 75.10. I don't know if we're going to get there this week, but it's possible. All right, traders. So that's that. The yen is definitely going down. The Canadian dollar reversed big time to the south. As you can see, it's reversing now. We closed out on the pull before the pullback came. The pullback came exactly right here at 83. I think we're going to try to finally take this out and hit 3170 and possibly maybe go lower before the reversal. That's what the power zone will do. Took a trade here, took a short. We exited right before the reversal, and boom, here comes the reversal, and here comes the pullback, lower high to the south. So that's where we're at. I think we're going to take this out. And that's it. So what I'm going to do also, and here's the Aussie dollar. We may take this high out, traders, at 74.26. If I look on my MT4 platform, do that there. This is not the account I'm looking for. Let's see. You can see the real bearish. Okay, the Aussie dollar. Okay, here was the Aussie dollar. We hit the resistance here at 74.27. So I don't know. Are we going to get to, next up is 74.45. Then we have 74.61. And then the big number is not even up here yet. We're looking at, wow. We're looking at 75.10. So let me mark that off now. But we're not going to, I don't think we're going to be getting there anytime soon. Not, yeah, 75.10. Let's see. Maybe tomorrow. Because we're definitely going to get a pullback. 75. All right, 75.10 right there. So that's what we're looking at for the Aussie dollar, but we got to get past the 74.27, and also the 44 number is very hard for the Aussie dollar to get by. Okay, traders, so that's it, and we made a ton of pips already. Again, we're holding the yen. We're not back in the Aussie dollar. We closed out after we got some entries down here. And we went to the north, took out this target, which I thought we would, and almost this right here. So we went to 72.31, and then we reversed immediately. So again, I don't think we're going to go any higher right now, but it's possible. Anything's possible, but that's what I'm looking at. Dollar yen. We're looking for a big move to the south on that pair later on tonight. So let's go over to the power zone, JPY. I'm going to have to switch these charts so I can streamline. See, this is what I'm looking for. Right now, we pulled up. Now we came back. So we may go up here, and then the drop is probably going to come here at 1,500. And then we should really start going down to the south. So I could exit and then just wait for 1,500. 1,400 pullback. It's only an hour pullback. I think we could withstand that. And then here comes a drop, big time drop. It's here, boom, 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 right here. Look for an exit, definitely an exit here. The pullback, take another short to the south, and then that'll be it. We'll be done. Okay, traders, so that's it. And I will update you back on this trade. Deuces. Welcome back, traders. Trading the Aussie US dollar. Oh, we went past the target. So what I'm going to do is dollar Canadian dropped big time. We're coming up to that support level here. We finally broke that 31.70. The only is going to lead to more downside on the dollar Canadian. So we are going to close my yen trades. I'm going to close the yen trades out because I know we're going to get a bounce. Okay, so where are we? At entries up there. We're going to get a bounce, so we're going to close out. All right, traders. So again, the power zone does the job again. Let's see, yen, and there we are. And we're coming up on S2 here, so we're definitely going to exit the trade. All right, traders. Again, the Back to the Future trading software does it again. We're going to be coming up on a big short on the yen later on tonight. So let's go to the 60-minute really quick. Up here, about 1500, and we're going to get a big drop again on the yen down to the south. All right, traders. So I'm going to close out, and then I'm going to re-enter later on the Aussie, the Canadian, and the yen. All right. Stay profitable. Welcome back, traders. Trading the US dollar Canadian. We crushed it on the US dollar Canadian, the Aussie US dollar, and the US dollar JPY. We're about to get a trailing stop about to get taken out, but we trade this on MT4. This is using as a reference point. We already took it down before when we were up in this area. We took a short here at 32.95, and we got taken out. We closed some positions, waited for the pullback on the power zone, and to the south we go, breaking that 31.70. And my surprise, I knew the Aussie dollar was going to go higher, but I wasn't expecting the Aussie dollar to take out the 61 target. I thought we were going to go to at least 41, maybe try to reverse, but it just blew past that. We're probably going to 75.10. So we closed out. We're done for today. We're going to be looking for a short on the dollar yen later on tonight for another down move on the dollar yen. But so far this week with the power zone has been on the money. Again, I try to do the weekly videos beforehand, and as you can see, the proof is in the pudding. And with the Back to the Future trading software. All right, traders, so that's it, and that's all I could tell you. It really works, and it takes the stress out of trading. We just crushed it. All right, traders, I'm out, and stay profitable. If you're interested in my videos, take a look at them. You don't have to trade it, do your own technical analysis, but you want to see what could possibly happen at those times. All right, traders, I'm out. Stay profitable. Let me do that. Welcome back, traders. Trading the U.S. dollar Canadian. All right, this is going to be the last of the down moves for the Canadian for a while because it looked like we're just going up until we get to, looks like Wednesday again, looks like a fall. But for the most part, we'll be looking for an up move because what I could do right now, since these days are over, this is how I do it. Sunday, because we already got the times already for Sunday. We got times already for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and we're currently in Thursday right now. So this is another benefit. You already know what's probably going to happen the rest of the week. So the rest of next week coming in, after we get through this low right here, when I'm going to buy after the down move here, should be at 9 o'clock. The down move should be coming. As you know, the dollar Canadian dropped big time this week, and then my other pair, the Aussie US dollar, to the north the whole week. So we're going to get a pullback on the Aussie dollar. These are almost like inverse, because if you go to the power zone on the Aussie dollar, it's almost like the opposite. So let's go to the Aussie dollar 60-minute time frame. We got all these pairs on here, so okay, bear with me. Here we go.
Stop filled.
Okay, that's probably the Bollinger Band set up on the US dollar Canadian. Okay, so we're looking for the last run up here on the Aussie US dollar. As you can see here, it's going to peak out. Well, this one's going to peak out at the same
Order pending. Order filled.
It's going to peak out at the same time as the Canadian. But this one has, it's just going to go down for a retracement, and then we're going to try to take out this high, but we're going to fail, and then we're going to drop. Okay, traders. So the low point on the Aussie dollar is probably going to come here on Sunday. No, it's going to be Monday. Looks like Monday. So actually, we can move this Wednesday over here. Yeah, so we already have the times for next week already. So yeah, so we'll get the better opportunity for short two is going to be here on Friday at 6 a.m. to the south, and that should be pretty much for the remainder of the day. We should be going to the south on Friday, and then there's another short opportunity. What I'll be taking shortly, closing my Aussie long positions, and then reversing it, and then I will watch out for the move here at 12 a.m. Tonight to exit the trade and look for. I don't know if I'm going to look for a buy because it's sometimes it's not enough time. We'll see, traders. So because it's a buy move here for the last ditch effort to take out that high, but it's going to fail. It looks like it's going to fail because it's lower. All right, so it's an opportunity for a short scalp, but the trade is to the south. Okay, so this is where we're at. So we're just gonna wait. We got 2 hours. Well, 9 o'clock should be here shortly, and we will see what happens, traders. Because right now the Aussie dollar has had a massive rally this week. Made a ton of pips on that, and so let's see what's gonna happen. I mean, you could see the moves that was already predicted that this pair was going to the north from the opening of Sunday. Okay, traders, so that's it. And I'll stay profitable and I'll update you back on this video.
Back, traders. I'm going to show you how to go over the MT4 platform to check your trade performance. And also, you can see my trade performance on using the Back to the Future trading software and my Market Trading Institute education. All right, so we're going to select account history, and then we're going to right click, and we're going to save as detailed report. And we're just going to type in any number here because I got a couple of them there. Type in any number right there, and then it's going to pull this up, and then you're going to scroll down, and then you can check your trade performance on this account. Okay, so these are the numbers you want to see: gross profit, gross loss. So the gross profit's $1,076, gross loss $159.57, 916 total net. Okay, and then we took 105 trades. So I like to do an evaluation at least 50 trades at a minimum. Okay, so you can see what's going on, how you're doing. Okay, so short trades on percentage. We took 53 short trades and we won 77% of those short trades. Long positions, 52 long positions, we won 67% of those. So the total profit trades, we had 76 total profit trades with a 72.38% win percentage and a 29 losing trades at 27.62. So the key with that is because a lot of times you have a high winning percentage, but then your losers are bigger than your winners, so it doesn't work. But you got to have a risk reward when you're trading, So you could see here, highest profit trade, one single trade was $78.63. Loss $18.15. Okay, the average profit is about $14. Loss is about $5.50. Maximum consecutive wins in a row, 17 for $188. Okay, consecutive losses 5 at $50.33. So maximum consecutive profit is going to be 6 trades at $202, and then consecutive losses, which is the same here, at 5 trades at $50.33. On an average, it's going to be 5 wins, and then 5 average wins, and then the consecutive losses is going to be 2. All right, traders. So that's that particular. So you can check your trade performance. Now you can see the dips in here. These are the withdrawals when I take the money and transfer it into another account. So we just keep trading this same $1,000. So it has made way more than, this is only 3 months back. So it's well over, this account's way over 150% on the money that was in there. All right, traders. So that's that one. So I have another one. Let's see. This one's less money in there. This one's $500. The starting balance. And then these dips are withdrawals. We take it and transfer it into another account, so we still work with the same amount, so we don't overtrade it and stuff like that. All right. So this one, the gross profit is $579.59, and then this one is the gross loss is $92.86. 79 trades. We won 82% on this particular account. 39 short trades. Long positions 40, 62%. Largest win $41. Loss $11. So you can see the risk reward, because a lot of times you'll have traders that have a high win percentage, but the losers are huge. Okay, so and then here we go. We got the maximum consecutive win 17 for $112, and then the maximum consecutive losses on this account is 5 at $6.26. And then the maximum, same $112, 17 wins in a row, and then maximum consecutive losses 3 at $25.44. Okay, average consecutive wins 4, and then consecutive losses 2. All right, traders. So again, this one is up a lot as well. We just transfer the funds into another account, so we don't trade it, so we don't overtrade, and you don't, like when you get into a losing streak, you don't revenge trade and wind up losing it. The profits that you make. So it's a slower process, versus having the money just keep building up and then you use that leverage. I mean, everything has its trade-off. Because how many times have you had where you're in profit and you had that money still in the account and you took you to hit a losing streak and you lost it all back now, and then you start revenge trading and doubling up and not using stop losses and all kind of ridiculous stuff that you normally would not do. So that's why I choose to transfer the money to another account and not use it. Okay, but it's still building up. This account is you can see this is the last withdrawal I did was here at $385 we took out of it, so it's back to 500. But we took, this is only 3 months. We took other withdrawals out of this account as well. All right, traders. So and then this account, this one we left it in. We didn't take the money out of this particular one, so we just let it. We're gonna try both ways to see what works best, and we'll see how it goes, because everything is has a trade-off. All right, so this account has 107 trades. This is 3 months. 107 trades. Gross profit 808. Gross loss 128. Net profit 679. Okay, so we took 50 trades on this account, and that's an 82% win percentage of the short trades. As you can see, the short trades are much better percentage than the long trades. For me, long trades here, we took 57 and we won 64% of them. But again, the risk reward on the wins and losses is the key. $51, we lost $11 on max. Maximum consecutive wins 16 for 169.50, and then the maximum consecutive losses here, which is similar to the other account, it was the same trade, 653. All right, so average wins consecutive on this one is 6 wins and 2 losses consecutively. So again, using the Back to the Future trading software is just help, you know, get these win percentages up and the low drawdown using that system. And also, you know, I have an education of Market Traders Institute is where I got my education in learning how to trade. You still not have to learn how to trade using this software. So it just, you know, it just enhances any system or however you trade. It just tells you, you know, when the moves are coming or when to get out of a trade possibly because a reversal could be coming at this certain time. So right now it's been working really well. It's been working really well since I've gotten it. But as you go on, you get better and better and know what to look for and know what not to do. All right, traders, so that's it. And I'll update you back with these videos of we just having an awesome start of the year so far. And it's been awesome. All right, so if you need any information, please let me know and stay profitable. And you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try to do a weekly market preview with the Power Zone and try to make some pips. I'm trying to, we're trying to help each other out. Just struggling traders, really check it out because it definitely will help you. I've got so many testimonials of students that I've helped out that use this, and it works for them. All right, traders, I'm out.